Are your videos so boring that you put your audience to sleep? If you don't keep your audience engaged throughout your video by telling a story, your channel won't grow. For example, recently I traveled to California to attend the VidSummit conference where I met new friends and learned insider secrets from awesome presenters. After the conference, I took a break by biking from El Segundo Beach to Manhattan Beach, surfing the waves in the early morning, soaking up the sunshine, enjoying delicious food, and shooting B-roll to spice up my future videos. In this video, you'll learn 5 ways to make your YouTube videos more interesting so you can keep your viewers engaged and grow your channel fast. Number 1, choose a topic that your audience is interested in. If you choose the right topic, your viewers will be motivated to click and watch your video. One of the best ways to come up with a good video topic is to look at the top 10 videos that are driving the most traffic to your channel, then double down on that particular video. Instead of making the same video, approach the topic from a different angle with a different thumbnail and title. If you want 10 ways to easily come up with YouTube video ideas and topics, click the link in the description below this video. Number 2, tell an engaging story. Start off your story by presenting a problem that your ideal viewer wants to solve. For example, I started off this video by asking the question, are your videos so boring that it puts your audience to sleep? This immediately conveys to your viewer that you're going to present the solutions to their problem. Secondly, you want to agitate the problem. This will help emphasize the problem that your viewer is having and make them more curious to want to get the solution. For example, in the second sentence of this video, I said, if you don't keep your audience engaged throughout the video by telling a story, your channel will stop growing. In the third part of your story, you want to present the solutions to their problem, which is actually the meat of your video. For example, at the beginning of this video, I said, in this video, you'll learn 5 ways to make your YouTube videos more interesting so you can keep your audience engaged and grow your channel fast. End your story by giving a strong call to action. Typically, I tell my viewers to watch the next video that's related to the one that they've just watched. If you maintain this kind of structure in your video, it's more likely that your viewers will remain engaged throughout your video. Number 3, include your hobbies, personality, and passions in your videos. Instead of just showing your viewers how to do something, weave a little bit of your own personality, passions, and hobbies into your video. For example, I love to go hiking in the forest, riding local trails on my bike, swimming and surfing the beaches like I did in California recently, and skiing in the winter. This will not only help keep your viewers engaged by making your content more interesting, but they'll get to know, like, and trust you and keep coming back for more of your content. For example, here's a video clip from one of my recent videos where I'm driving home the point that I wish to make by including a clip from one of my interests. One of the biggest mistakes YouTube creators make, especially beginners, is not fully understanding who they're creating the content for, and this is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to surf a wave without fully understanding how waves work or how to ride a surfboard. When you do catch a wave because your body, mind, and spirit is in sync with the wave, it can be truly satisfying. Just make sure that your interests and hobbies align with the content of your video. Click the link in the description to watch the full video on why your channel is not growing. Number 3, include B-roll. Your A-roll is your main content and B-roll are video clips that support that main content. The main benefit of including B-roll clips throughout your video content is to reset the attention of your viewers so they remain engaged throughout your video. Your B-roll clips should be related to the content that you're trying to get across to your viewers. For example, at the beginning of this video, I showed a video clip when asking the question, are your videos so boring that you put your audience to sleep? The video clip of me sleeping at my desk helps illustrate the point that I wish to make to my viewers. Number 4, cut the fluff. Instead of trying to make your videos as long as possible to generate more ad revenue for your channel, try to eliminate those sections of your content that won't hold the viewer's attention. For example, if you're repeating the same content in your video, try to eliminate that second part so you can hold your viewers' attention much better. Study your audience retention graph and YouTube analytics to see where your viewers are dropping off in your video content. If you look on the key moments for audience retention and click on top moment, it'll say nice work. This video has a part that kept your viewers watching for longer than usual. If you go down to the graph and hover over the eye icon, you can actually play the clip where viewers watched for longer than usual. The shaded area represents the typical retention of my videos, and the red line is the retention of this video. So you can see it's done much better than my typical videos. When you make your next video, try to improve your audience retention by 1%. If you keep improving the audience retention for every new video that you make, there's a higher probability that your videos will be recommended by YouTube. Number 5, tell viewers to watch your next best video. You can do this by linking to a video or playlist similar to the content that they've just watched. I recommend linking to a related playlist instead of a solo video so your viewers will watch multiple videos in a row and motivate them to subscribe to your channel. Here's what YouTube says about the benefits of increasing the watch time for your videos. You can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. If you focus on these two metrics, more of your videos will be suggested to other viewers on YouTube. Now you know 5 ways to make your YouTube videos less boring and more interesting. But what's the one most important thing that'll stop a YouTube channel from growing? Watch the video on the screen right now on how to fix a YouTube channel that's not growing. If you focus on this one thing, you'll experience exponential growth on your channel.